Welcome back to Reflections of Ramadan. Iftar is a time to spend with family and friends, and often in a bid to rush home to break fast, we tend to neglect traffic rules. Most road accidents during Ramadan happen just before iftar time. In order to tackle this problem, the capital's men in uniform are reaching out to motorists in their own unique way. They hit the streets just before the evening prayer time, often catching drivers by surprise. They are the Abu Dhabi Community Police, and they're on a mission, distributing iftar meals to motorists who are on the road at iftar time.
A lot of the accidents it's happening in the street or also traffic jam in that time, because all the people they are very hurried to reach their home because they want to break their fast in their home with their family.
السلام عليكم، كيف الحال؟ طيبين، رمضان كريم إن شاء الله. هذا وجبة إفطار من القيادة العامة موزعة، أتمنى لكم السلامة وإن شاء الله وتوصلوا بالبيت صالمين.
Over 1,000 snack packs are distributed on the Emirates roads daily. Meals are also given to anybody who reports to any police station before Maghrib. This is one of the locations the community police situate themselves at. It's at the intersection of Zayed Sports City and Airport Road. And they say it's because it's the last stop that motorists have before exiting Abu Dhabi and onto the highway. And hopefully the meal packages will avoid them from speeding. While there are no exact figures, officers say since the initiative began 4 years ago, they have noticed a reduction in road mishaps at sunset. This project also helps break barriers between the men in uniform and the local community.
It was the traditional style. It's only CID and work and response and taking the people and arrest the people. That's the investigation and that. But right now, the new style of police, it's coming now. How can we to be with the community?
Yes.
Bye-bye. Bye. While urging the people to remember the spirituality of the holy month and obey traffic rules, police officers say they will continue pounding the pavement in their bid to ensure a safe Ramadan for all.